What's up? What it do? What it do? It's your boy Sid. Another episode of Road to IT. Just want to let y'all know by the title of the video I did get it's a job. I got the around highest paid in that position, I guess. I'm not gonna tell you the company name, but the company seems pretty mellow. Pretty mellow, pretty cool. Basically, what I'll be doing, I'll be fixing on the Lenovo computers, like the motherboards, dealing with hardware, around operating systems and stuff of that nature. As of right now, my road to IT has ended. I finally got in. I'm definitely gonna use it as a stepping stone and basically use it as a way to learn more. Hopefully this will lead me to better paying roles, with more pay. They did tell me they do evaluations and they do get pay increases based off your productivity. I think I can meet the standard if not exceed it. I do. I still like I said, I still do cloud learning and vulnerability management and stuff of that nature. So I'm still adding I guess certifications onto my name. Um, as of right now, like I said, this is the end of my road to IT. Yeah, I made it. It sounds like I'm kind of under not enthusiastic, but I'm just a little tired, man. Just a little tired. But anyways, I want to appreciate everybody that's watching, not watching. I appreciate people that likes, dislike. I appreciate every comment, no comment. I appreciate everything. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna start trying to learn more about iOS, MacBook type computers and stuff of that nature. I know my wife's computer is messed up, so I'm gonna try to fix it. It got water damage, so I'm gonna see if I can try to fix it. If y'all, I think I'm gonna go ahead and record it. But if y'all want me to post it, please let me know. I definitely will post how I troubleshoot it. You know what I'm saying? I know there's other people on YouTube that did it, so I'm gonna try some of their methods and stuff of that nature to see if it works. But I'm gonna do the best that I can from what the knowledge I know, see if I can fix it and make sure that's working properly normally. But anyways, I appreciate all the love. Like I said, thank y'all for watching. More to come. Y'all be blessed.